Welcome back everyone. Today we're comparing NetBox versus Nautobot, two of the most popular source of truth platforms for home labs and real production networks. No installation in this video. We jump directly into the web interfaces. Look at how both tools work, what feels better, what's faster, and what's more powerful depending on your use case. Let's get started. Before we dive into the UIs, here's what today's comparison is about. Both NetBox and Nautobot help you manage devices, racks, IP addresses, prefixes, VLANs, sites, circuits, and more. But the focus is slightly different. NetBox is a clean and stable DKIM and IPAM source of truth. Nautobot builds on NetBox original concepts and adds automation and workflows on top. So let's open both dashboards and see what using them actually feels like. We start with NetBox. On the main dashboard, everything is simple and structured. Organization, devices, IPAM, virtualization, circuits, power. Before we create any devices, there's one important thing to understand. In NetBox, a device cannot exist on its own. It always references three things: a manufacturer, a device wall, and a device type, the actual model definition. So if these don't exist, you can't add a device yet. You can manually create them using devices, manufacturers, device walls, and device types. But most people import them from the community library instead, or with the community import tool. Both are linked in the description. This saves a ton of time and ensures consistency. I already prepared a Sophos XGS firewall, so under manufacturer you see Sophos. In device type you have the model, and under device wall a firewall role. Alright, now let's walk through the workflow. First let's create a site. Go to Organization, Sites and click Add. Enter a name, you can see the slug is created automatically based on the name. You can fill out the other sections as needed, then hit Create. Next, let's create a prefix. Go to IPAM, Prefixes and click Add. Under prefix, enter your network. I will also check is a pool, and under scope select the scope type to be site, and then select our site we just created. Now let's add a device. We already have the manufacturer, device type and role, so go to Devices and click Add. Give it a name. Select the device role and the device type. Then add it to our site and fill out the others as needed too. You can already see how clean and logical the workflow is. NetBox is designed for clarity and nothing gets in your way. Now let's switch to Nautobot. You immediately notice more menu items related to automation, jobs and Git integration. Just like NetBox, Nautobot also requires 3 core objects before adding a device: manufacturer, device role and device type. Nautobot also has a community library and the Nautobot Welcome Wizard plugin. which can import these types directly from the UI. Like in NetBox, I already created the Sophos firewall. The device roles are a bit hidden under organization roles. And as content type, you have to select DKIM device. Now let's repeat the same workflow. First, let's create a site. Here Nautobot is different. First of all, sites are called locations. And you have to create a location type first. Go to Organization Location Types. Under Content Types, you have to select the related objects you want to add to the site. Then hit Create and move to Organization Locations. Select the location type we just created. Set the status to active. And fill out the rest as needed. Next, let's create a prefix. Go to IPAM Prefixes. Under Type, select Pool. And set the status to active. I will also add my location. Finally, add a device. Go to Devices and click Add. Fill out the rest as needed and click Create. Compared to NetBox, the workflow is very similar, but Nautobot adds a ton of optional features in the background. Let's look at those next. Let's look at the features where Nautobot starts to stand out. Automation and jobs. Nautobot includes a native jobs section. This lets you build custom workflows, auto-assign IPs, create devices in bulk, enforce naming standards, run scripts and validations. You even have some pre-built ones right out of the box. NetBox can do some of this too, but it usually requires external tools or plugins. Git integration. Nautobot can sync with a Git repository for config data, plugins, jobs, extensions. This makes it great for automation-driven environments. NetBox started with Git integration too, but they're not quite there yet. Look and feel. NetBox feels minimal and fast. Nautobot feels more advanced and full-featured. Neither is better, it depends on what you want. So which one should you choose? Choose NetBox if you want a clean and simple source of truth. You focus on IPAM, DKIM, web layouts and documentation. Choose Nautobot if you want automation built directly into your source of truth. You like jobs, Git integration and GitOps style workflows. You want built-in automation. Both NetBox and Nautobot are fantastic tools. It depends all on your use case. If this comparison helped you, hit like, subscribe and check the description for more guides and examples. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.